Hey y'all, I'm Ashton. I recently left Texas for a world of adventure in the Caribbean and beyond. So join me as I journey to find the prettiest sunsets, friendliest sea life, epic views, and the best beach bars. Stay curious, friends, and enjoy the ride. After all, to live would be an awfully big adventure. Previously on Ashton on Adventure, we sailed into St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands a few days past our expected date, but we had arrived nonetheless. Since I spent my birthday at sea and was barely able to stomach my bubbly, we enjoyed a delicious celebratory dinner in Secret Harbor at the Sunset Grill. All right, that is a battery. Hey, Padre, why is our floor torn apart?
Well, this filled up with salt water, and our very expensive lithium battery is now dead.
One of them.
One of the two batteries. And we have it on the dock now. We have a call in to rely on to find out what the heck. Wait, I don't know. I do not know. Don't.
Let's not blow us up. The thing about boats is there's always something going wrong, so I let Padre deal with the battery while I did my part at making her shine a bit more. Later that week, my brother and soon-to-be sister-in-law arrived to spend a few days with us on our new island.
Hey! How was the flight?
It was not bad.
Hey! How are you?
Good. I lost my mask though. You have to get my other one. I don't know what happened when I was changing. Oh, thank you.
You may have to put it back on your back.
Probably. All right.
How are you? I'm good. It's hot. We spent the next day at one of my favorite beaches on St. Thomas, Magens Bay. This beach is on the north side of the island and is very protected, has almost no waves, and close to a mile of white sandy beaches. The next morning, we found a new breakfast spot before doing some sightseeing of the island. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ooh. Okay. Huevos rancheros. Sorry, I just put it back on.
It's gonna be delicious to see.
Oh yeah, that's good.
It's really good.
I'm all kinds of turned around. I thought I was using Panasonic for a second.
And I put it back on auto because
I switched it around.
that's what I like.
So the auto is generally better for vlogging, no matter what camera you're using.
day, we explored the very secluded Mermaid's Chair beach. Hey, bud. Well, I'm not getting any closer. To get to Mermaid's Chair, you have to hike through a preserve for 2 miles in and 2 miles out.
I thought that was like so dark and like ominous. It was so scary. And I kept waking up and going.
Once you get there, though, it's totally worth it to be the only one on the beach.
Right through there. Yeah. And we're gonna go. This is it. This is it right here.
We relaxed in a few of the tidal pools and had a cool swim before heading back up the mountain. We had our last dinner of delicious sushi before they went back to Texas. It was clearly so good, there was nothing but empty plates to show for it. If you enjoyed this episode, you can check out more at ashtononadventure.com or hit subscribe up at the top and follow along in the next adventure.